Hey Algebra 1, this video is a quick review on select problems from your benchmark review, which will be due the day that your test starts. So make sure you're watching and following along at home. First problem I want to look at in that packet is number 7. It says the third term of an arithmetic sequence is -5 and the 11th term is 11. Write an expression to represent this sequence. In past problems, we've seen it where you just have to identify the first term and the common difference. Here we're going to take it a step further and actually write out the expression for the nth term in the sequence. First thing you want to do is, to help us visualize, we're going to go ahead and write in our blanks. We're going to write in a sequence of 11 blanks here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And this sequence keeps going on forever. Okay? Now we know that the third term is -5 and the 11th term is 11. Okay? The idea here is that we want to use this information to help us find both the common difference and the first term. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is, well, how many terms do I have to jump to get from the third to the 11th? Well, let's see here. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have a difference of 8 terms. So we have to make a jump of 8. Then we do the same thing with the actual numbers, -5 to 11. Easy way to find that is take the farthest term to the right, in this case 11, and subtract it from -5. That gives me 11 minus, let's see, -5. Oh, that's going to give me 16. Okay, so I take these jumps to get from the third term to the 11th, as well as from -5 to +11, and I divide this number by this. In which case, 16 divided by 8 gives me 2. So that's going to be my common difference for the sequence. And the nice thing is that we can use that to fill in the blanks and find my first term. Okay? So in this case, if I keep adding 2 to the right, that gives me -3, -1, +1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And take a look there. The next term after 9 would easily be 11. And then if I go to the left, that would be subtracting 2. So -2 from -5 would give me -7, and then subtract 2 from -7 would give me -9. Okay, so now this being my first term, I have everything I need to start writing the expression, which would be my first term, -9, plus my common difference, times that n-1 that we use to represent our term after the first one. Okay, next problem I want to look at is number 18. 8x minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 6x plus 4. With this problem, remember, or any problems that look like it, the first thing you want to do is take a look at both left side and right side of your equation. Make sure that you combine all your like terms first. In this case, my like terms exist that I can combine anyways on the left side of the equation. I can go ahead and combine 8x minus 2x to give me 6x. Okay, let me try writing that again because apparently my board does not like me today. So let's try that again. 8x minus 2x gives me 6x. Okay, so 6x plus 5 is equal to 6x plus 4. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and move all my x's to one side by subtraction property of equality. Minus 6x minus 6x. That's going to give me the equation 5 is equal to 4. Now, if you remember from our previous lesson on special solutions of equations, this is a contradictory statement. We can verifiably say 5 does not equal 4. Therefore, my conclusion here has to be no solution. Okay, no matter how hard we try, no matter what numbers we come up with, there is no value that we can replace x with in this equation that would make it true. Never, it's not going to work, no matter what we do. Okay, last one I want to look at is a literal equation, number 20. B divided by f is equal to 3 minus r. We're going to solve for b, okay, which is right here. And we know that b is going to be divided by f to get this definition of 3 minus r. So in order for me to get b by itself, I have to do the opposite of division, more specifically division by f, and multiply by f. And because there's 2 terms on the right side, I'm going to also multiply the right side by f only when the right side has parentheses around 3 minus r. Because there's more than one term, I want to make sure everything gets multiplied by f. F's cancel on the left side, I'm left with b, and then I can just leave it as 3 minus r times f. And if I want to distribute that f and I get b is equal to 3f minus rf, that is absolutely 100% okay. Either one of these are acceptable. Okay, next video is going to be on solving inequalities. Make sure you stay tuned, and I will talk to you guys again later. Drop a like if you learned anything, and like the video for helping you get ready for your benchmark test.